Now you have your new upgraded lenses from the Sunglass Fix. It's time to install them into your Tom Ford frames. It's pretty easy to do, but it might take a bit of jiggling and pressure to remove the lenses. Let's start by removing your scratch lenses. Turn the frames away from you, as the lenses always click out through the front of the sunglasses. It might help to identify the weak spot of your frames, which is normally the thinnest part of the frame. Begin by pinching the bottom of the frame, or from the weak spot, gently pulling it away from the lens, while simultaneously applying pressure to the lens with the other hand, so the lens comes out of the front of the frames. Don't be afraid to use some pressure, and it should pop right out. It can take a few goes, so don't give up. If you're still struggling, it can help to put the sunglasses in warm water, not boiling, for 30 seconds. Now we've got the old lenses out, let's get the new ones in. Turn the lenses to face you, as they are being inserted from the front. Line up the edge of the lens with the frame, inserting the lens on the arm side first. Then use your thumb to work the lens into the nose area, and gently pinch any remaining portion of the lens to secure it into the frame. You'll hear a clicking sound once that, you know your lens is in place. One final safety check. Visually inspect and move your fingers around the rim of the frame to ensure the lens are completely in the rim before wearing it. Finally, give your lenses a new clean and enjoy seeing clearly again.